Good day, sir, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Lilibet Barbie Laurel, 44 years old. I am from Panabo City, Philippines. I only finished third year high school. I have four siblings, two sisters, and two brothers. Also, I have two sons. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and dancing. I am an honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy person. I have 10 years of experience as a domestic worker in Kuwait. With the same employer, I have two co-workers, and before my duties were washing clothes, cleaning the house, and babysitting. After 5 years, my only duties were preparing food for the kids for their school and also preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner for the adults. I can cook all Arabic food, Chinese food, Indian foods, and Egyptian food. I have a good relationship with my employer and I never have issues with them. I gain their trust and they treat me as one of their family and I treat them as a family. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I hope you choose me to work for your family and I promise to do my best and give you my excellent work. Once again, thank you, sir, ma'am, for this opportunity. God bless.